Thanks for stopping by GF Explorers today. I'm Rich.
And I'm Victoria.
And today we've got some super exciting news that we want to share with all of you.
Really, really big news. So we'd like to start by saying, if you love our cooking videos, that's not going to change.
Nothing's going to change there.
Well, it's kind of going to change, but we'll get to that later. But it's only going to get better. But our big announcement is...
I get to say it?
You get to say it.
We are going full-time RVing, which means we are going to live, work, and cook full-time in a fifth wheel RV.
So the change for the channel is that we're going to chronicle our entire journey from going from a 2,400 square foot house to a 400 square foot fifth wheel, including all the rig tours that we're going to take so we can decide which rig we want, downsizing, where we domicile, all these things. So we're going to be chronicling that through video, and those videos are going to be on this channel. So that's really the big change.
The big question that everybody who's subscribed to our channel now has is, how is this going to affect our cooking videos?
Well, it's not. The only difference is where we're going to shoot the videos. No longer be cooking in this kitchen.
But we could be cooking in this kitchen.
Or this kitchen. Or this kitchen. Okay, so we've established we're we are not stopping the cooking videos. Matter of fact, we're probably going to make them even better, because when we're on the road, we are going to be going to farmers markets, looking into local ingredients, local cuisines, and bringing you things we wouldn't bring you if we were still in Denver in the same kitchen. So it is so very exciting that not only are we going to be traveling and eating, you're going to be able to travel and eat with us through our videos. Oh my God, we're so excited about this. I cannot tell you.
I think one of the things I'm most excited about is cooking with local ingredients.
Oh.
If you think about driving around the country, there's things in Michigan, my home state, that you can't get anywhere else. There's lobster in Maine. There's
grouper sandwiches in Florida, where
there's
I'm from.
Things in the Southwest, hatch chilies. So I think that's the thing.
Potatoes in Idaho.
Potatoes in Idaho. I think that's the thing we're really looking forward to bringing to the channel is local cuisine, local ingredients, local restaurants. What restaurants out there around the country are doing gluten and dairy free right? And how can we show you who they are and where they are and tell you why they're doing things right the way we're doing them?
I really look forward to that. And I know we're going to find more things than potatoes and apples in Washington. We want to dig deep and find the dishes that you can only get regionally. That excites us to know.
So we've been watching a lot of full-time RV videos. And one of the things we noticed is that nobody's really told the story of what it was like to downsize, to go from a sticks and bricks house to the full-time RV lifestyle. So that's what we want to do. And we're going to kick it off by probably the most fun part of this whole process, and that's trying to find the rig.
Rig tours. Oh my God, do I love rig tours. They're so much fun. It's like touring model homes, but of the very, very small variety. And in addition to rig tours, like Rich said, it's rare to see what the journey is like. I mean, we have decisions to make. Do we keep this? Do we get rid of this? Do we put this in storage? We're going to be challenging everything we ever thought about our stuff. Do we need our stuff? Can we live without our stuff? Can I live with only like 5 pair of shoes? Now that's the big question.
Now the other big consideration in this whole process is we have a business, we work at home. So besides a kitchen, we need an office. We're going to need a good size office because we both need a workspace, not just one workspace, but 2. I'm mobile. I've always been kind of a remote worker, working off of a laptop, but you...
No, I'm chained to a desktop and 3 monitors.
And 3 monitors, so you need a big space. So there's so many considerations, as Victoria mentioned, besides the rig. Our home state, do we stay here in Colorado? Do we have a different state? What are the tax implications of going full-time? What are the tax implications on our business for going full-time?
I wish we could do it tomorrow, but we have a plan. June of next year, okay, we may leave in May, I'm just going to say, but May, June of next year. Until then, 2 videos a week. We're still going to give you 2 cooking videos a week, plus we're going to add in 1 RV video. So we're going to be 3 videos a week. We're going to be pretty busy, but we're so excited, and we want you take this journey with us and be excited with us. I think it's going to be amazing. Again, thank you so much for all the support you've shown us up to this point, and we look forward to what's coming next, don't we, Rich?
Yeah, absolutely. And the first thing we have to do in this process is narrow down our rig. We've determined with build cycles now for RVs, we probably have to order something around December. So we're shooting this right around early September, so we need to get started.
We do, and we will have to make our decision, and we hope that you will give us comments on the rig tours, what you think. This is going to be so much fun. I hope you are as excited as we are. Again, thank you so much for your support, and until next time, happy eating and happy exploring.
Cheers.
Cheers.